So finally, Uddhav Thackeray broke his silence in annual Dussehra rally of Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray, while addressing his party workers and leaders in first ever virtual rally which happened at Dadar. Usually Shiv Sena's rally or Dussehra rally happens at Shivaji Park, but due to COVID situation this time, Shiv Sena held a rally in one hall near Shivaji Park, where Uddhav Thackeray broke his silence on various issues, or we can say range of issues, because annual Dussehra rally is an event where Shiv Sena party chief basically breaks his silence or talks about various issues, including the local issues, including the national issues. So this time Uddhav Thackeray basically started with the Hindutva. If you remember, a few weeks back, there was a war of words, or we can say a letter war which had happened between Uddhav Thackeray and Governor of Maharashtra, where Governor of Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari had written it to Uddhav Thackeray asking him if his government, if the state government can open or allowed to open the bars and restaurants, then why not the temples and other worship places they are not allowing. And in that letter he had said that, has Uddhav Thackeray, it means that have you forgotten the Hindutva which you basically believe in, and have you become secular? So replying to that, we had seen that Uddhav Thackeray also sent a very strong worded letter to Bhagat Singh Koshyari, and yesterday also Uddhav Thackeray wrecked up the same issue, where he said that we still follow the Hindutva taught to us by Balasaheb Thackeray. When the Babri was demolished, at that time no one, right now whoever is criticizing us or Shiv Sena, that time no one had come and basically showed that gut to accept it, but it was Balasaheb Thackeray who accepted, and we are proud of it. Uddhav Thackeray also criticized the BJP for their Hindutva and questioning Shiv Sena for its Hindutva, because Uddhav Thackeray gave an example of a speech of RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat on Dussehra. He said that Mohan Bhagwat had clearly said that Hindutva doesn't mean only to do puja part or do any kind of puja part. Hindutva is a larger concept, and that's why Uddhav Thackeray said that if we are not reopening the temples, there is a reason behind this. But if someone is tagging us or criticizing us for not following the Hindutva, then certainly it's unfortunate. On other hand, if we talk about the issues on which Uddhav Thackeray had not spoken till yesterday, those were Kangana Ranaut issue as well as Sushant Singh Rajput issue. So on Kangana Ranaut issue, he clearly says that if someone is coming to Mumbai, earning name, earning money, and calling Mumbai as a POK, it's an unfortunate thing, and it is not a failure of state government, but certainly it's a failure of PM Narendra Modi, because PM Narendra Modi, if he can, it was his promise that once he comes to power, he will get back the POK, that is Pak Occupied Kashmir, in India. But if someone is calling or referring Mumbai city as POK, then certainly it's his failure. On the part of Sushant Singh Rajput case and drug case, Uddhav Thackeray criticized those who basically did try to tarnish the image of Mumbai police as well as the Maharashtra government. Uddhav Thackeray said that I am proud of Mumbai police, because Mumbai police is one of such police who have caught the terrorists alive. Also, Mumbai police was doing a fair investigation, but it was a kind of a attempt from few people to tarnish the image of Mumbai police, and we will not accept it. In the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, he also said that many people try to drag Maharashtra police as well as Maharashtra government, including Aditya Thakeray's name. He also said that people try to malign the name of Aditya Thackeray and Thackeray family in this regard, but our hands are clean and nothing as of now they have found in this case, because we have not done anything, and Mumbai police was also doing a fair job. So on the range of issues Uddhav Thackeray spoke, but what was the main point? If we say that there are two important points also in this which he spoke about, and these are the national issues point. One is of a GST. Uddhav Thackeray said that when we were asking about the GST collection or the GST pending dues from the center started criticizing us, but why should not we ask for our own dues? If he says that all the CMs of the states should come together and have a discussion on this particular issue, because if the current system of GST has failed totally, then yes, we have to demand for the for the old system to reinstate the old system. So that's number one. And number two, while speaking on Bihar, he said that we have seen in Haryana how BJP basically promised Bishnoi about Kuldip Singh Bishnoi about making him CM of Haryana. At that time also we saw that they promoted him, but what had happened, that he couldn't become the CM. Similar thing or similar formula they did try with Shiv Sena here, and they said that if BJP is now saying that Nitish will be the next CM, then I must extend my wishes to Nitish Kumar and also warn him that do not fall in the trap of BJP. So BJP in the Dussehra rally speech of Uddhav Thackeray, he basically criticized not only the governor of Maharashtra or the central leadership, but also the state leadership of BJP on the various issues. And it was expected, because usually, as I said, that Dussehra rally of Shiv Sena is a rally where the party chief comes and he basically speaks on a range of issues to clear the party line. Where Uddhav Thackeray also, as I said, that he criticized the state government. He said that there are many attempts which are happening to topple my government. Every month there is a date which has been given that in next month, so and so date, Uddhav Thackeray government will get collapsed. This day Uddhav Thackeray government will get collapsed. Within 2 months the BJP will come in the power. Within 3 months BJP will establish its government with one of the alliance party of Mahavikas Aghadi. He said, I dare you, come forward and try to topple my government. So it was a very straightforward and strong worded message which Uddhav Thackeray sent from the Shiv Sena stage of Dussehra rally. As I was talking, that Dussehra rally is one of the such event where party chief Uddhav Thackeray, and earlier we saw that Balasaheb Thackeray used to clear the party line. He used to give the party a clear line that what they have to do on these issues. And yesterday also it was expected from Uddhav Thackeray, which he did, that he cleared the party line on various of issues where party workers, party leaders were basically waiting for his instructions, waiting to get clearance from him. This is Mayuresh Ganpati reporting from Mumbai for Mirror Now.